Another beautiful prediction yesterday where gold, silver, and crude oil all respected the support levels on the downside and tried to show a recovery. We have seen gold moving towards 2303, the levels I have mentioned, and then a recovery, while silver bouncing back from 27, and specifically crude oil has shown a very, very strong recovery from 77.4. On the other hand, the net gas traded bullish. It has achieved higher highs close to 2.38, 2.4 zone and has erased some of the gains for the day. So what to expect now today, how we can profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. Next update will be released before the US session, and this is the only channel in the world to give you 2 updates a day for multiple global markets and commodities. Thus subscribe and press the bell icon. Pressing the bell icon keeps you updated with the twice a day update. Or join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. You can also skip to your favorite instrument by pressing the chapters here. Yes, the chapters are included now. You can skip to the content. First, we'll look into gold, followed with silver, followed with crude oil, and in the end, net gets watch till the end. Let's start with gold on the hourly charts. If you look at gold, see, we have seen it delivering higher lows. You've seen it delivering lower highs. It is under consolidation. On the upside, 23, 20, 22 levels proven out to be a greater resistance. And then 23, 25, 26. We have discussed yesterday why these levels are of greater importance. Now see, moving averages are trading with divergence on the hourly charts, and prices are trying to achieve the levels. Yes, it is getting a little resistance here. We have to wait for it to now break beyond 23. 14-16 zone, 23, 14, 16 is going to be the first resistance zone. See, on the upside here, we have seen yesterday 23, 18, 23, 22 proving out to be a greater resistance as well. So if we are buying at 23, 16 levels, we have to still be cautious as long as 23, 20 is not taken. Remember, once it breaks out beyond 23, 20, we can consider this for a breakout and the stronger bullish momentum may prevail here. If you look at the stock, I think this is rising. The MACD is convergent here, and RSI is trying to show little bullishness. On the 2 hour charts also, the observation is similar. Also, you should observe here that a flat bottom is observed, and 2308 is now acting as a very, very strong support. Yes, stochastic trying from to come out from the oversold levels. MACD is bearish and trying to converge here. RSI is trying to bounce back. On the 3 hour charts also, similar observation. See, here you can see higher highs and a flat bottom. We have to wait for the next candle, and if it breaks out beyond 2316, you can say more bullish momentum is going to be seen here, and in fact, we can look forward to a breakout. We must notice on the 3 hour charts, it is forming a nice flag, and right now it is recovering. Rather than achieving the lows here, it is trying to bounce back. Lows for the day are at 2300 levels. If it breaks below 2308, certainly we are looking forward to 2300 today. Stochastic is flat, MACD is bearish, RSI is also flat. Coming to 4 hour charts, the observation is similar here. Couple of bearish candles, resistance intact, trying to recover. We have to wait for the next candle. And yes, 2316, 2322 is the zone we need to watch out for. Beyond that, more bullish momentum is seen. Stochastic is flat, MACD is bearish, RSI is trying to recover here. Coming to the now, look at the daily chart. See, one bullish candle, couple of retracement candles. Observe the move here. You can see one bigger bearish candle, then the bearishness getting. Only observation here is the preceding candle is a swing candle. So unless and until it breaks past the yesterday's high, we should not be treating gold as bullish. It has to break past yesterday's high in order to stay bullish. That is a very clear observation, which means 23-22 levels are going to play out a major. Else what may probably happen is achieving lower highs. We can see gold swinging again on the downside and breaking below 2300. Thus you need to be trading with caution as long as 23-22 is not taken today. Also, once 23-22 is taken, we can expect it to in fact break 23-30 levels, which is also going to be 23-30-32 is going to be the next resistance zone, beyond which you should treat gold as bullish. We are going to look at similar size of candle here. Look at the size of the almost $25 to $30 levels, which means if it starts from 2310, we can look forward to 2340 levels. But on the daily charts, there is one observation here is lower highs, lower lows. After the drop, gold is trading in this bearish channel. And yes, if you see it is staying above 2340, you can consider that for a reversal, and we will look forward to a stronger bullish momentum. stochastic looking down, MACD bearish, RSI flat. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy gold today at 23. And before I give you the targets, if you also want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 31st mentorship batch starting soon, where we are going to teach you all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups which can help you trade profitably. Do not miss this learning opportunity. Join the mentorship batch today itself. Book your seats now. Else, you can be part of my signals channel where trading as per the signals also you can benefit. Reach out to me via Telegram or email for your queries related to the services. Else, if you just want to trade as per the signal, you can still make good money by following the videos and the levels mentioned here in YouTube. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, you can also find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spread such that you can save much of your capital. So do join the broker and enjoy trading. Now, as you're clear that the buying entries today is about 23.16, where you can expect 23.20.22 as the first target, and then 23.30.32 as the next. Beyond 23.32 is where we can look forward to bullish momentum continuing there, and we can target towards 23.36 and 40 levels. Beyond 23.40, sky is the limit. It should be considered for a reversal. On the downside, a selling entry today is below 23.08 levels. Below 23.0806 zone, you can say more bearish momentum will be seen there. And if it draws below 23.0608, first we are looking forward to 2300. And if gold is seen trading below 2300, stay bearish. There is going to be sharper fall towards 2295 and 2291 levels, below which it should be trading extremely bearish, chances of which appears to be less. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. Since for silver, this is the strongest resistance. It has to come out of this resistance zone I have mentioned yesterday as well. 2750, 2760. Once you see silver staying above 2750, 2760, stay bullish. We will look forward to a stronger breakout. See what has happened here, rise, retracement, nice flag formation. It is breaking out, and thus this could lead to stronger bullish momentum here. We can look forward to 27.75.80, and in fact, we can look forward to $28 levels. Let's have a further look. Yes, stochastic is rising here, MACD is bullish, and RSI is also rising. That's a good indication. Likewise, on the 2-hour charts, the rise, the retracement taking support, it is trying to bounce back. Possibility of a recovery exists here. And thus 2750, 2760 is the zone you should be focusing on, beyond which you can look forward to a stronger rise in silver today. Stochastic rising, MACD trying to cross over for the buys, RSI rising. Coming to 3 hours, you can look at similar observation is there, nice flag formation, and then this breakout. Yes, again 2750, 2760 holds the key for the further. And yes, the indicators are still looking bullish here. The MACD, after retracing here, it is now on the verge of a crossover, which can again lead to further bullish momentum. RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hours. Here on the 4-hour charts as well, we are looking forward to a breakout. The breakout is going to be strong. Look at these two candles forming double bottom, reversal sign trying to rise. I do expect the bullish momentum to continue. All the indicators are still bullish here. Yes, we have scope for MACD to rise as well. RSI is also rising. Coming to daily charts, look at daily charts. Higher lows are formed. Previous two candles of retracement. Current candle trying to break out beyond 2750 and 60 levels. You should stay bullish. We will look forward to 2780 and $28 levels. The breakout is going to be stronger. Be watchful. See the rise here. Retracement. First breakout, flat top, retracement, and now again trying to break out. This could lead to higher prices. Be watchful for this here. And see, this could still reverse as long as 2760 is not taken, and thus below 2730 is where you can look forward to a reversal here, where the prices might try to move towards 27 or in fact lower levels. Stochastic is overbought, MACD trying to converge here, and RSI rising. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy silver at 2750-60 zone, expected to move towards 2775-80 and then $28 levels. Any move beyond 28 should be a good bullish indication. On the downside, a selling entry at 27.30 can be taken. Be careful at 27.15, $27 levels. Below 27 is where the bears will take over. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude. See, crude oil on the hourly charts has seen lower lows. It was trading in this bearish channel, and hitting the lows, it has bounced back. Now see, we have mentioned why 76.8 is going to be a greater support, and besides, we have seen oil bouncing back from the support levels here. Also, if you look at now, it is trying to give a breakout and coming to the next resistance level. Remember, 79.6 is one critical level which it needs to break in order to stay bullish. It is forming nice bullish flag here. Wait for it to stay above now 79.3 levels and then 79.6 levels. If these two levels are taken, then we can say now oil is turning bullish and it is ready for a rise towards 80.4, 81 levels. Possibility is there. You should always look at the move here. See, this, draw a parallel to this, it has a scope for further rise. Let's see. The stochastic is on the hourly charts. The MACD is still bullish and RSI is rising. Coming to 2 hour charts. On the 2 hour charts, another observation is here is it has formed a good base. It is trying to give a breakout. Once it stays above 79.3, when you see the lower price above 79.3, you can initiate a buying entry for 79.6. See, moving averages have started to converge after a long time, and also one must notice that this is giving a breakout which could lead to a rise. How far? At least 81 can be seen if it stays above 79.6. Overbought indicators, specifically stochastic, MACD though it still has a scope for it to rise, and RSI is also showing bullish momentum. On the 3 hour charts as well, similar observation is seen. Yes, second bullish candle after forming flat bottom, and this could lead to increasing bullishness as well. And that is why also it confirms that if it breaks beyond 79.6, we can look forward to 80.4, 80.5, and in fact 81 levels as the next targets. Overbought is stochastic, MACD is still bullish, RSI is rising. And on the 4 hour, similar observation is seen. See, only selling entry today I will recommend is now at 78.8 levels. 78.8, 78.4 are going to be very, very good support for oil for the day. I still see this as a breakout, and I think that this is going to continue for a while. Stochastic is overbought, MACD is bullish, and RSI is rising. And coming to daily, look at the daily charts here, forming lower lows. We are seeing now it towards highs here. I will wait for once the next candle starts, where it starts from and how far it takes, specifically beyond 79.6. Now see, prices are divergent from the 20-50 period moving average, which is sitting at around $81 levels and which appears to be easily achievable level. Now see what oil has done. Oil is still forming this nice flag formation where the highs are now positioned at around 82. So for this long term channel, the highs are now at around 82, 81 zone. That is also one of the possibilities that hitting the top of the channel again it can reverse. So is it a possibility for it to move toward the top of the channel? There is a strong probability to it today itself. Stochastic rising from the oversold. MACD has also seen a stronger bearish momentum. It should cross over for the buys, and RSI is rising. So looking at this, buy at 79.3 levels today and sell at 78.28. If you are buying at 79.63, the next target is 79. Beyond 79.6, we can look forward to 80.4, and beyond 80.4, it is going to hit 81 very, very soon, if not today, tomorrow. So yes, this is the target. We can look forward to 81, should be a very good resistance. And at that point, we'll see how it behaves. Depending on that, we can take a position there. Next is where to sell today. If you see it is staying below 78.8, you can take a sell entry, but then 78.6, 78.4 is the first and very, very strong support zone, below which you can look forward to 77.8 and then 77.3, below which 76.8 should appear. Chances for a complete reversal appears to be less, specifically only if oil stays above 79.6. I think the reversal chances will diminish as in how it goes beyond 79.6 and then $80 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. And before we proceed to natural gas, friends, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. It is always a great, great support and motivation from you all for me to deliver consistently. Now coming to the hourly chart, so net gas see a drop, retracement drop, and now it is trying to consolidate. Remember, as long as now 2.3, 2.34, 2.36 zone is not taken, we should not be treating natural gas for a reversal. 2.3436 is going to be a very, very strong resistance zone. Now see, it has achieved higher highs here. If you draw a parallel, it is also delivering higher lows. So it is still trading in this bullish channel. You can see how beautifully it has taken the support from the 50 period moving average. If you look at the stochastic, this is rising. The MACD is also trying to converge here, and RSI is also rising. On the 2 hour charts, prices were divergent from the 20 period. It has come to take the support from the 20 period moving average and trying to recover a bit. If you see the stochastic, this is rising, the MACD is bearish and the RSI is showing little bullish momentum. While on the 3-hour charts, yes, again it has come to take the support from the 20 period moving average and trying to show a little. Let's wait for it to break beyond 2.3 to 2.34 zone, which will be a first resistance zone, then 2.36 the next, and then I will look forward to 2.4, 2.44 levels. Oversold stochastic MACD is still trading bearish here, looking downwards, while RSI has come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 4-hour, likewise on the 4-hour chart, see the prices were divergent from the 20 period moving average. It has come closer towards the median of the Bollinger Bands, now taking the support from the median of the Bollinger Bands, trying to recover a bit. So in fact, see, the day has just started, and thus you can buy here at 2.32, but I will still wait for it to confirm a signal. It has to break beyond yesterday's high in order to confirm a reversal, else it is still uh, has the possibility for it to reverse or retrace a little on the downside. Now see, the support levels are playing out well. It is trying to recover a little from yesterday, and thus it can move towards 2.3436 zone. Stochastic oversold. Now look at MACD. This is crossed over at the top, and this is one thing which suggests that there is still lot much of downside for net gas to cover, and that is why I say it has to break beyond yesterday's high in order to confirm the reversal. RSI coming out of the overbought zone. Coming to daily charts, if you look at on the daily charts, what has happened? Higher lows and higher highs are observed here. It is shown a swing. Now it has to break 2.28 and 2.26 levels in order to confirm the drop here. As long as 2.28, 2.24 levels are not taken, we should not be treating natural gas as bearish. See what has happened yesterday. It has shown a swing, it has achieved the lows, and today again it can resume the upward move. But we have to wait for it to confirm a breakout beyond 2.36 level, which will confirm further rise. The stochastic is overbought here. The MACD is still divergent, is still bullish, and it has still scope for it to rise. RSI back to overbought zone. So looking at this, you can buy net gas today at 2.32 levels. When you see the lower price is about 2.32, you can initiate a buying entry. Wait for 2.34 and 2.36. This is going to be the first and very strong resistance zone. If natural gas stays above 2.3638, you can look forward to a very strong rise towards 2.4, and then I will look forward to 2.44 levels as the next target. Though it can try to show you a swing again today, thus you need to be trading with caution. On the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 2.295 levels. Once you see the higher prices below 2.295, you can take a sell entry. Wait for 2.28 first target, 2.26 the next. If net gas drops below 2.26, you can say the bears will take over, and then I will look forward to a stronger drop towards 2.2 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and do watch the next update before the US session. That will add lot much of meaning to your trading decisions. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session with more updates.